Hello and a warm welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Arvind here. So today we will be learning about sets. So what is a set? So a set is a well-defined collection of objects. So such that that we are given a collection and an object. Without a doubt, we must be able to say that whether the object belongs to that collection or not. So, for example, a collection of students in our class who weigh 40 kgs, or collection of all odd numbers below 100, collection of even numbers below 50. They are all examples of well-defined collections of numbers or objects or anything. So we call them as a set. So now let us look at some examples where we cannot say that this collection is a set. So, for example, the collection of all hardworking students of our class, we can't say that it is a set because, like, for example, if we say that this boy is hardworking, and another person would say that no, I disagree with you. This boy is not hardworking. So people's mind will differ here. So we cannot say that this is a set. Also, another example is a collection of 6 months in a year. So they might ask any 6 months in jumbled order or in correct order or somewhere in the last, like that. So we cannot say which 6 months we want, and so hence we cannot. It's not a well-defined collection, and it's not a set. So now we will see how do we like the notation of a set. So sets are usually denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, like this. Capital A, B, C, and its members are represented by small letters like X, Y, and Z. This is capitalized form, and this is the small form. So the capital letters are for the for the set, and the small letters, they are for the members of the set. The members of the set are represented by these small letters. So for example, if X is a member of A, so we say that X belongs to A. So there is a special there's a special notation for this. So it's written as X is belongs to A. So if we put such a sign, it means that it belongs to A. But if it does not belong to A, we put it as X does not belong to A. So it is basically the same sign, but we just put a cross over it. So that means X does not belong to A. So for example, if two members belong to A, so then we say it as X comma Y belong to A, and if they do not belong to A, then we say X comma Y does not belong to A. So it is basically the same notation, just that if there are two members, we just need to add commas, and if it's also more than two, like 3 or 4, we just need to put comma, 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 like that. So now we will see the different ways to represent a set. So there are three methods to represent a set. So they are known as the description method, the roster method, and the rule method. Description method. So the description method is basically, it's like in this method we make a well-defined description of the elements of a set, and this description is enclosed in curly brackets. So it is just like we are we are listing the elements in the form of a small sentence or description. For example, the set of whole numbers less than 10, we do not say um, 1 0 1 2 3 4 so on. Like, we do not actually list everything. We put it like in a word form. That's why from the name we can understand description method. So just basically we are putting a description. So it will be represent. So we are saying like a set of whole numbers that are less than 10, then we won't list the whole thing. It will be like first we have to include curly brackets, and wait for a second. So curly brackets, then include like this, and then we have to write um, whole numbers below 10, or instead of below we can also say lesser than, a more mathematical term. So this is how we say in descriptive method. So like it's like a description, it's not like listing down. So basically this method is easier, but it's not really preferable, but still it is important to know how do we use this method. That's all for this video, and the next video we'll be seeing another way of representing a set, that is the roster method. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.